American Embassy?
Yeah.
American?
Sí.
See? This one?
Sí.
Ah. I am staying right across from the American Embassy. Can you believe that? So I'm about to check into my Airbnb right here. And it's right across from the American Embassy. It's awesome. Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. It's your girl Valentina, nicknamed the African Dominican. I just arrived at my Airbnb in Havana, Cuba. In this video, I'm going to show you how the Airbnb looks like and also the neighborhood. And this is how the building looks like from outside. It looks very pretty. Now let's get ready to enter the Airbnb. This Airbnb, there's an elevator, because not all buildings you have elevators. You have to walk up the stairs, but this one has an elevator, which makes all the difference. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you a tour of my first home in Cuba, in Havana, Cuba. It's my first time here, and I'm very impressed with this Airbnb. So basically this a studio Airbnb. So come on in. First of all, when you enter, you see you have a little kitchenette here, and they gave me a free phone to use while here. There's like internet on. I can take it around with me around Havana, and I always have internet on me, so that's great. The Airbnb provides that for all their customers, which is really, really nice of them, right? And of course, there's a stove there, tea. I can make my tea, I can cook, yeah, and I can eat. And of course, they have a lot of stuff in here. This is very nice. I actually like this Airbnb. It's right across from the American Embassy with all that security, so you are 100% safe. This is a very safe area. And of course, they have everything. They, so they provide everything. This Airbnb. Let's see what they have in the fridge. So this is for sale. If I do this, I'm gonna have to pay for it. I can just buy my own. That's what he told me, right? And they do have a price list right here. This is what the owner said. It's a price list of what they have in the fridge. If I wanna drink any of that stuff, of course, I'm gonna have to pay for it, which is fine. Oh, and they have a microwave, which is great. Yay! I really like this. And of course, what's that? Yeah. Now let me show you the rest of the studio Airbnb apartment. Oh, there's a clock up there too. I like it. What do you guys think so far? All right. And then when you pan, that is the bedroom. That's a bed right there. So that's how the whole space looks, right? You enter and you have the bed right there, and you have the kitchenette and the little dining area. I like it. It's really, really cool. And of course, let's see the bathroom. Let's see what else they have here. Okay. In here, they have a closet and a safe. Pretty cool, right? That's toilet paper. It's awesome because I did bring extra toilet paper, so it's good that they at least provide some. Okay. And of course, they have a huge TV right here. You can watch TV. There's a Wi-Fi in this apartment, but sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not good. It's like on Cuban standards. Okay. And of course, there's a telephone there. Now let's go to the bathroom. So the bathroom is right near the bedroom. Look at that. Nice, huge bathroom. The owner just told me that, we cannot flush anything down the toilet. Everything you have to put it right in the trash. So you cannot flush anything down the toilet. If you use toilet paper, you have to put it in here. It's like the Dominican way of doing it. Don't flush the toilet paper in Cuba. Put it right in the trash, or else you're gonna clog the whole thing. I like it. It's pretty cool. And they have a nice shower. Okay. And let's see what's out here. Like I said, watch area. Oh, look at my view from the bathroom. Some cleaning supplies. So that is the Malecon right there. And that's the USA Embassy you're looking at. I have a nice view of the USA Embassy and the Malecon. How cool is that? All right. I love it. And this is just a closet for, I guess, cleaning supplies. I don't go in there. That's for internal use apparently. But get one more look at the bathroom. Pretty cool, right? I love it. So this is my new home in Cuba. Now let's go back. Like I showed you guys earlier, bedroom right here. All right, nice big bed. And oh, in here, right here, this thing right here, they provided towels, you know, towels, blankets. That comes with it. I like this. Let me show you another great view. This place also comes with a balcony. So this is a lounge, little balcony area. You come out here, it's pretty big. Look at that. And then look at the view, guys, from my balcony. Look at that view of the Malecon and the USA Embassy. My American flag flying high in Cuba. The Cubans love the Americans, okay? Not the government, but the American people, they love them. And I can understand that, you know. The people and the government are two different entities or two different things. You know, it's okay to love the people and not like the government. I'm for the people always. Look at that, but I love my American flag though. I'm a proud American as well. So I love America. America has been very good to me. Yeah, God bless America. My home, sweet home. Aye, it's a beautiful view, right, of the Malecon. I'm gonna go walk in the morning there. It's very safe. You can run, you can walk. I love this area. All right, let's go back in the house. Oh my gosh, my first home in Cuba is nice and cozy. All right, guys, that's all the tour for now. What do you guys think of this place? If you happen to come to Cuba, you can ask about this Airbnb. It's right across from the embassy. I'm sure if you go to Airbnb website, you'll be able to locate it. But so far, I like it. Great customer service. What a great way to welcome somebody to Cuba for the first time. My heart is full. All right, guys. This is how the outside looks like. That's the Malecon that you see. So how much did I spend on this Airbnb? It cost me $70 USA per night, which is pricey for Cuba, but this area is very expensive to stay. But it was definitely worth it. I hope you have enjoyed the tour of my new home in Cuba. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. And please make sure you watch all the videos in this series. You can click on the series link and catch up if you have not seen all the videos. And please feel free to share. Again, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.